This video explains what you need to do before using the real-time motion control function. A Windows or Linux PC is required for the real-time motion control. For Windows PCs, install Epson RC Plus 8.0. Configure the controller settings for using the real-time motion control with the Epson RC Plus 8.0. For Linux PCs, create application software to control robots. Use the client library to control the robot. To use the client library, complete the preparatory steps explained later in this video. Enable the real-time motion control option license in Epson RC Plus 8.0 in advance. For details, refer to the Epson RC Plus 8.0 User's Guide. Register information about robots controlled by the real-time motion control using Epson RC Plus 8.0. In the Epson RC Plus 8.0 Setup menu, select System Configuration. Select Controller, Robots. Select Add. Register information about robots controlled by the real-time motion control. Set the details of real-time motion control in Epson RC Plus 8.0. In the Epson RC Plus 8.0 Setup menu, select System Configuration. Select Controller, Configuration. Set Control Device to Real-Time Motion Control. Select Remote Control. Real-Time Motion. We recommend that you set a password. Configure other settings as necessary. Install the client library and necessary packages on the Linux PC. For instructions, refer to the README file in the client library. Find the client library link in the video description.